Hey everyone! Today, I'll guide you through rendering videos in Davinci Resolve 18. Let's dive in. Head over to the Deliver tab. On the left, select the desired video format. Set the resolution and adjust the quality settings to your preference. Once you've configured your settings, click Add to Render Queue at the bottom. Then, click Render All to start the rendering process. And there you have it. Your video is now successfully rendered and saved. This script provides a straightforward guide on how to render and save videos in Davinci Resolve 18, from importing the video to setting up the rendering parameters and saving the finalized video file. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.